A union attempted to organize a nursing home service and maintenance employees. After obtaining signed authorization cards from 50% of the relevant employee group, the union asked the home to recognize it as the service and maintenance employee's representative. The home refused. What happens next? The union here could trigger an election by filing a petition with the NLRB once it established support from at least 30% of employees within the proposed bargaining unit. Generally, employees show interest by signing authorization cards attesting that they support the union. If the union wins the election, then the board will certify the union as the employee's representative. The union in our example had sufficient support to petition for an election. Alternatively, an employer may file a petition to initiate an election after a union demands recognition. The nursing home could file a petition because the union had already demanded recognition. After a petition is filed, the regional director determines whether all the prerequisites for an election are met. Under certain circumstances, the board may not order an election. These circumstances bar elections primarily to ensure a period of repose to encourage stability after a union election or during the term of a collective bargaining agreement. For example, the statutory election bar rule, which usually applies after a union loses an election, prohibits an election within the 12 months after a valid election.